After Chico has a bath, he goes crazy by digging in his bed. I have no idea what he's digging for or what he's trying to get, but he keeps digging. Then he'll get sort of relaxed and happy and just sit down. Wait for it. Starts again. Good boy, Chico. Did you get what you were looking for? Chico. Chico. Good boy.